Fix Microsoft Store login error 0x800704ec in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Fix 2. Remove Windows Store cache. Fix 3. Change group policy settings. This method managed to help many people to fix Microsoft Store login error 0x800704ec, so try it out yourself. Double-click the Block All Consumer Microsoft Account User Authentication option and pick Not Configured. Fix 4. Reset the app.